Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking a single campaign objective because focused goals drive conversion. Choose the most direct metric, leads or sales, and map the desired action. Once done, define a narrow audience using demographics and a 1% lookalike to increase relevance. Prepare a concise creative brief for a 15-30-second video and pick one clear CTA so viewers know what to do next. This first step makes the rest of optimization measurable and actionable. Now you create and iterate creative. Start with 3 proven formats: a hook-first opener, a short story, and a product demo, each trimmed to 15-30 seconds so attention stays high. Once filmed, make 2 hook options and 2 CTAs to a /B test simultaneously within the ad set. Also render 16:9:1 aspect ratios, add captions, and place brand identity in the first 3 seconds so Facebook's autoplay doesn't bury recognition. Testing here reveals winners fast. Finish by optimizing and scaling the winners. You track CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and CPA, but focus on CPA and ROAS to decide actions. Once an ad converts reliably, increase its budget in 20-30% increments every 48 to 72 hours to avoid freshness loss. If performance falters, use one key troubleshooting rule. Low CTR means change the hook or thumbnail. High CPA means tighten targeting or rework the offer. Make incremental moves and measure after.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.